Guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be replacing my HyperX Alloy Core RGB gaming keyboard. This is a membrane keyboard for a Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum keyboard. So let's unbox this. Get just some plastic on each of the ends here. Okay, so we're just gonna open this end. Slide it out like so. It's like a nondescript black cardboard box now. And here it is. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, it has two Windows keys? Okay, instead of a function key, it has another Windows key, actually. So you just pull this out. Here's our high quality. It is not a braided cable, but it is thick as heck. Okay. So of course it comes in the plastic sleeve. So it just peels off at the top here. Right, comes with the manual. You don't need that. Then I'm gonna put this on my shelf, so I'm gonna put the plastic back in here again, and then shut it. Alright, so here it is in all its glory. We have the ARX dock there, so you can actually put your phone in for the ARX control that you can download. Might be showing that off. So it's mechanical. I wish it was a bit more clicky, but I'm not complaining. So we have 8 programmable switches up here. M1, M2, M3, MR. And then we have G6, G7, G8, G9. Then on the left side we have the G1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also for you can tell it's made for gamers, because the WASD have special printings on it. They're actually engraved, I think, because you can like feel it. Then also on the arrow keys have a volume cylinder that just spins infinitely. Then have pause and play, stop, fast forward, rewind. I think this does lighting. I don't know what this does, but it has like a gamepad joystick on it. So then we have the numlock, caps lock, and scroll lock. But indicators there. Then here's just the mute button. Let's plug it in and give it a go in some Apex Legends. After we plug it in and set it into place. Alright, let's just get right into a game of Apex Legends.
Mic on.
There we go.
Mic off. Mic on.
Yeah, let's be well, we'll see who they take.
Only the best for my friends. I'm ready. Let's get the job done.
We'll take Octane. No, let's take
Ineptitude is the true killer.
Introducing your champion.
I hope it's like that.
Hey, if you don't like what you see, put a bag over your head.
As jump master, I'll decide on a course of action.
I can totally. that was quick. Well, that certainly wasn't my best game. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the very next video. Also, I have one more Apex video that I might be uploading, which I actually recorded during the Flashpoint event, but we'll see. Also, first time Season 7 video may be coming also.